Sewer hoses stink, so you need a vented, secure bumper cap that keeps them safe and bug-free. Still using those plastic bumper caps? They crack, warp, and fall off on bumpy roads. Next thing you know, your sewer hose is gone. That's money down the drain. This lightweight aluminum bumper cap is a total game-changer, vented, lockable, and built to solve all those headaches. When it's time to stash your hose, just swing the door wide open, slide it in, and lock it shut. The door opens fully, no blockage inside the bumper. Since it mounts outside, you're getting about 3-4 inch more space on each end, way better than those old push-in caps. Need the hose? Pull it out, shut the door, and snap the latch. No more flimsy plastic. This cap locks tight and stays quiet, trip after trip. You'll get 2 caps in the box, perfect for both ends of your bumper. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, not steel or iron, so it won't rust in sun or rain. Powder-coated in matte black, it blends right in with your bumper for a clean look. Inside the box, 2 aluminum end caps, 4 rubber buffer pads. The vent holes let air in and keep bugs out. And that swing-open door? Smooth, simple access every time. On the side, you've got an anti-loosening screw to fine-tune the fit, and a tethered locking buckle that stays secure even on the bumpiest rides. No more surprise losses. Now here's how to get it mounted quick and easy. Just clean the bumper surface, stick the rubber pads on the top and bottom edges. These pads help tighten the fit and cut down on that metal-on-metal noise. Now slide the cap over the end of the bumper until it sits flush and snug. Too loose or too tight? Just adjust the screw on the side for that perfect fit. And that's it. In just minutes, you've upgraded to a secure, rust-proof, vented, and hassle-free bumper cap. No more cracked plastic, no more missing hoses, no more cap hunting before you hit the road. You're all set. Click the link in the description. Use the code for 5% off and roll out with secure, stress-free bumper storage.